So I decided to work on something a little bit differently here. Something that you would somewhat see in Super Mario, only the first game, I believe. But so in the game, when there's two of these platforms on like the line. Normally, you'd see like a line that it travels on, but basically, when you stand on one, the other one goes down and the other one goes up. And how I did that was over here in the script I made a, this might be a little redundant, I just put like a bool check there just to see like if it was happening, but basically you know, you got the speed of the platform, you got the rigid body, so ignoring the other platform for now because that's the same script that's on here. So yeah, you reference the get body, and then in the update you only want the platform to move, so when the player enters the platform collider, it toggles the will move and says it's on, and when the player leaves it, it's off basically. And then over here, when it's moving, I have the speed of the platform, so it's going up or down, and I might modify it later to where toggle a bool where it says like left and right. But basically, like when the player's in it, the velocity changes, and then like when they're in it, it just goes back to zero. But so the other platform here, that's what basically makes it where the other one moves. So like when the player enters platform 1, the second platform will move in the opposite direction. And that's basically like doing the same exact thing here. So like, say if I wanted the speed, so like with it being negative, that means it's going down obviously and going up. But if I wanted to, I could just say like 1, and then this platform right here would go up while the other one goes down. And the same principle and concepts can be applied if it wants to go left and right, which let me set that up. Okay, so it's working, just not in the direction I wanted to, so I just do that. Hold up here. So let me go ahead and change these back over to 1 and change off the move X. That one down, move that one up. So yeah, the only thing that I need to correct is the player's parenting, but I mean, so how to make it move left and right, you just basically take the a boolean check here, so I have it move X would be up and down. Yeah, so if it's move X, it's going to be moving on the X axis up and down. If it's not move X, it's going to be moving on the Y axis. And to parent the player, so if it's on collision enter, and you do put it at top, so that way the player gets parented to it first. Player.I.transform equals transform dot position, transform dot parent equals transform. Trying to remember it. Yeah, I think that might be it. And then we're gonna set this to not false, but null. Oh, that didn't work for some reason. And why didn't that? I know I had it set up in here. Other parent. That might be the reason why. So let me try that and see what happens. And I do have my AC on because it is hot in my room today. Okay, so let's see here. No, apparently, what's happening here? So it's parenting him. He's not moving with it for some reason. Now, why would that be happening? Okay, so I went and looked at the same script for this, and it's used for the dragon. It's using the same exact lines of codes, which I didn't notice until I looked at it. But like, yeah. So it's like this is the dragon one, and on collision stay, it's same thing. Then I used the same exact thing right here. It's just, which doesn't make sense why it wouldn't be working, unless it was supposed to be this line of code right here, which I mean I guess it's not using. So let me try that. But I mean, when it parents the player, that works for the dragon, for the moving anyways. So if I go over here, for some reason it's not working on that, but like here it is. So yeah, I'm at a loss here for what's supposed to be done. So I changed it to Matha.ping pong, and well, it's yeah, it's not efficient. Okay, so it seems like I got it working up for one platform. Now we just have to sync it together with two platforms. Alright, there we go. Seems to be everything is working in order now. So, I think, except for that, I don't know what that's about. So, it's not re-enabling it, but if I do put it over here outside of it, it's gonna not do what I want it to do. I mean, it does, but it's just like not how I want it to be done, I guess. It's whatever. I mean, it's working. That's fine. So what I did was I took away all of the rigid body doohickeys, because that was causing the player to not stay mounted to the platform. But basically, let me get rid of all this because I'm very unprofessional while recording these. Basically, I don't even need the start position. Let's see here. So, what I was explaining earlier. Let me actually make a new video.